Smart Socket from the Smart Light skill, and you can control it by saying, turn on Smart Socket.
Alexa, turn on Smart Socket.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off Smart Socket.
Protection sleeves into the holes in the wall. Remove the cover of the rail junction box. Follow the wiring diagram for wiring. Reload the terminal box cover. Arrange the wires into the rail groove to mount and fix them. Lean the rail against the wall. Align it to the holes and fix it into the wall with screws. Install the module and complete the installation.